Our IoT wireless sensors include PIR sensor with long-range transmission for wireless monitoring. This wireless PIR motion sensor can detect any form of movement within 12 meters in a given area of space, sending an immediate RF signal back to a Wi-Fi gateway stationed up to 6 kilometers away. The data can be monitored in real time via a smart device or a PC. The power source is by either 2 units AAA batteries or via a 6 to 30 volt DC power supply. Alerts can be set to trigger notifications and automatically activate a local RF receiver unit to switch on an alarm like a light or any form of load as desired.
Scare off pesky burglars with this PIR solution. You can set your lights to auto switch on for a set time interval when motion is detected. Pair your PIR sensor to the RIoT system, then set your relay time delay. Then deploy your PIR sensor. Now when motion is detected, the PIR switches the relay, which switches on the light. It can also send a trigger notification to your smartphone.